My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Tornado Custom. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Tornado comes with 8 seats, and all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to Bluetooth, navigation, Ford Pass Connect, emergency assistance, Apple CarPlay and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.